Good afternoon, Clarkson Commercials here on a blustery Friday morning. This time around what we have for you is something a bit unusual. It's a 2009 on the 09 plate Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase medium roof. Now there's nothing unusual about that, but add the fact that it's a very rare factory built 6-seat crew van. It makes it a very, very rare and versatile bird altogether. One owner from new, 72,000 miles on it. Been through our workshop, and I'll talk to you more about that in a second. And if I can get my shadow out the way, I'll show you all the van that I can. Right, in this troubled economic time, vans with extra seats in the back are proving to be very, very popular. That space in there, I haven't measured it, but it's probably similar to the floor length of a standard transit van. I would reckon that's probably 8 feet long. If that's critical to you, please do ask if we can measure it exactly. Very, very clean in the bodywork. No grazes, no dents, no bashes, no holes, no cracks, no tears. A very, very level van altogether. There are very few, and I'm going to put my neck on the line here, there are very few, I don't know of any van operations similar to us that are as thorough as we are with our vans. We do have a very, very thorough workshop check procedure. We have got our own workshops. Do not assume that all van dealers have their own workshops. I can tell you many don't. It seems bizarre, I know, but many do not have their own workshops. We do have our own workshops, and we're very, very thorough in our check procedure. Right, there's what I'm talking about just now. That's the factory built 6-seat conversion, 3 up front, 3 in the back. You've got this plastic moulded bulkhead here separating the back from the front, and an incredibly versatile machine, not to mention very, very rare indeed. Back to the workshop check procedure. We are very thorough in how we check and qualify our vans. We've got our own thorough check sheet that we work through, the mechanics do, and we can certainly happy to show you that one, talk you through that as well. We do not buy a van and just fire it on the sales line. It doesn't happen. It gets very thoroughly checked. This one, for example, I read up on it before the video. We have fitted a new set of front brake pads. It's had a service on it, and that means all the filters, oil, air and fuel, and we also fitted a starter motor and a bulb, and it's been thoroughly road tested as well, so properly checked and ready to reliably take on its new life. So something that we have invested the money in. Bearing in mind these are all second-hand vans, and ready to certainly take on its new life, as I say. MOT until April of next year. It's got a spare key with it as well, and I'll shut the doors and I'll just give you one more quick whirl round of the bodywork. Right, start at this back corner, up over the back doors. We find these videos work incredibly well. In the used van world in general, I'm talking about the UK, there are so many poor quality vans out there, especially now that the country is pulling out of recession. What we're left with is a nation of hard worked vans. We sell exactly the opposite. Nice, clean, straight vans, lovely panel work, great, proper story, HPI checked, and these videos are a great way to showcase exactly what we do here. Any van looks good from one photograph taken 40 feet away, and that seems to be the photography mindset of the van world, unfortunately. Again, you like to turn that principle on its head and get right in about the vans, and hopefully from the comfort of your own home give you a very good all-round feeling of the van in question. So there we go, folks. That one is a very, very rare and versatile 2009 09 plate Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase medium roof double cab van. As per company policy, I'll just say the usual line that I do with all the vans: everything that we sell is second hand. Everything is in a first life before it comes to us, and it may have marks and imperfections commensurate with age, mileage and use. So my name is Barry, thanks for watching. Come to Clarkson's, where the vans are great and the kettle is always on.